friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic minisweater.com reviews. So to watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So as I have mentioned, today I'll be talking about this website called Mini Sweater, which is quite gaining popularity in the United States. So as you can see, this is the main website, homepage of the website. Basically, this website sells clothes, hoodies, tops, etc. Based only on the woman. That is, it's a woman-centric shopping site. All the clothes and offers available here are only for one gender, that is a female. So these are all the products that are available and they're offering a very huge discount. As you can see, there's this thing called super deal and there are lots of discount available as well as ratings are given, the new arrival, etc. And here they've said 2018 to 2020 the copyright is reserved. So let's go to one product and see what are the details. Let's go to the first product, this one. So as you can see, this is the product we have opened and the price is given and the sizes are up to triple XL and even the quantity is unlimited. And as we go down, they have mentioned the frequently bought clothes and they've given all the details basically about the, as well as the reviews. There are 20 reviews. You see, they're all good reviews. Now as you go down, they have also mentioned the payment details. You see, they have mentioned Visa, Maestro, all the credit card, debit cards basically. So let's go ahead with the legitimacy. No, let's first see what are the shipping policies. Okay, shipping is very important. To the shipping page now. So as you can see, they have basically very clear information how they do. First they confirm, then they process the order, then they ship, and then they deliver. International shipping is available across all the regions. Basically, they have mentioned that they take up to 4 business days to process the order, and then the shipping takes about 7 to 10 business days, okay, to arrive. They have also given the detailed shipping info. Then the shipping update notice, basically the purchaser gets a mail from the people, mostly for US customers. So in this video, the minisweater.com reviews, the delivery is basically said that will be verified via email as soon as the order is shipped. And they've also mentioned that if the order is not shipped within 6 months, which is a very huge period, then please contact the responsible person. And they've given their contact, that is their support at minisweater.com, and they have not given any other contact information besides that. So check the payment policies. So this is the payment page. They accept PayPal, which is the basic any website will accept first, and they accept also debit and credit cards like Visa, Maestro, etc. So let's go ahead with the return policies. Policy page, basically they accept cancellation policy, but to cancel the products they have to basically tell them within the 24 hours of ordering the product, and it may take 2 to 4 days working days to cancel the product. And there's warranty on the products, which is 30 days warranty. And basically they basically said all their details about warranty and all of that, compensation. And refund will be available basically if it's PayPal, then it will take 48 hours. If it's card, it will take 7 to 14 business days. And the shipping fee is deducted from the buyer's end, and the website won't deduct it from their cost. So now let's move ahead with the legitimacy points. So first thing to as I said, before heading further, I will basically request all the viewers to please like this video, share this video and comment. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe as well to our channel. So let's go ahead with the legitimacy points. So in my every video I say that the first major point is to check the HTTPS. So when you go tab over here, HTTPS is available, which is a good sign. And the basically website age, this website was launched just 6 months back, that is in July, which is not a good sign. As when I have also mentioned down, they have said from 18 to 2020, and the website is registered just 6 months back. And also they have no in social media presence. No, there are no links about social media below, which is a very bad sign. And going for it can be very risky, as it is based in China, and majority of the fake scam websites are from China as well. So there are many loopholes in this. And suggestion wise, I would not suggest this website to anyone, as there are no proper contact details as well, only email ID is given, and there are no reviews on over the internet about this website. There is also no traffic for this website, hence making it no people, no genuine reviews. There are reviews on the website which can be bots or which can be fake. So basically we come to an end of this video, but before that I'd like to tell the viewers to please give me your viewpoints about this website minisweater.com reviews, and tell me if you all feel this is a fake website or a legit website. Also I will conclude this video saying that I would not suggest this website to anybody, as the website age is very less, and they have basically disclaimed it as 2018, which is a very bad sign. So please do not go for it. It may be scam and you may lose your money. So with this, I would like to tell you all that we look at all the comments on every video, so please keep commenting. And also I'd like to tell you all to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't subscribed. Thank you. Be informed, be safe. Thank you. Be informed, be safe.